Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, August the 16th, 2023. And today it's war day number 539. 539 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yes. By the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me continue with this one, the regular puzzle in this afternoon. Yes, 6931. Alright, 6931. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has believe 20 printed digits. Yes, and it's a 9 by 11. Yeah, 9 by 11 Tectonic. Well, should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. Well, maybe I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Don't think so, because it's a 9 by 11. Otherwise it should be 8 by 11. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, there, single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Let me check for dual box. No dual boxes in this puzzle. Triple box then. Do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box. And contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 5 in the same area, so it should be a 4 then. Alright. Here we have a triple box again. And here also, there are 3 of those boxes. Well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. The 3 could be everywhere. Well, need more information. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this side or the other side, it's always 4 or a 5. Let me mark this, 4 or a 5. Okay, here also 4 or a 5. The box near the middle box. Okay, here I need more information. Cannot fill those numbers, but the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here in the same area, in this W area shape. So it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Alright. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box, there a quadra box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need more information. Yeah. Need to wait. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only 2 shapes. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. We have here only 2 of them. And the last shape, I see here the last shape. Let me draw this shape here. when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left with a 5 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left with a 4 in this area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left with a 1 in this area. Should be there. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. These 2 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left with a 2 in this area. Should be there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then these 2 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Then. Let me see. Well. 4. Yeah, I need to think. Well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. It means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore, because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on. This is taking too long. This box can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4 in this quadra box. 1 number left should be a 1 then. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, it's in the quadra box. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 4 and 3. 3 and 4. Alright. This box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 is left in this quadra box for number 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there. And the 2 goes here. Alright. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be now. Well, 1, 2. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 1. That box should be a 3. Alright. Then these two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These two boxes in this triple box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. And that box is also connected with this box, should be a 2. So 2 numbers left, a 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5 then. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay, these two boxes can be 2. Those two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Then. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. Let me mark those 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Then. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 in this W area shape. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. These two boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. We go down. Okay, I think this box should be 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes and the final 3 numbers here. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And if eliminated the 3, 3 goes there. And 1 box left in this area for number 4. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. Definitely a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, Bye bye for now.